interesting compilation videos for you to enjoy.
In the natural world, tornadoes carry both majestic beauty and terrifying power. One of the most extraordinary tornadoes ever recorded is the destructive shape-shifting tornado, a phenomenon that is both mysterious and relentlessly destructive. What makes this tornado particularly unique is its ability to constantly change shape, making it incredibly difficult to predict and counter. This shape-shifting tornado is unlike ordinary tornadoes. Instead of maintaining a stable form, it can continuously change shape, sometimes towering high like a colossal spire, other times morphing into smaller swirling vortexes that move erratically, causing confusion for anyone who witnesses it. Its form can shift in mere seconds, making it incredibly difficult to predict its direction or strength. This creates a sense of helplessness and despair for those caught in its path. One of the factors that contribute to the terror of this tornado is its incredibly powerful winds. This tornado not only alters the environment around it, but also causes catastrophic damage. Buildings are torn apart, vehicles are swept into the air like toys. The devastation it causes is truly frightening, leaving those who witness it in awe of nature's might. The shape-shifting tornado emerges under extremely harsh weather conditions.
But it might become deviant.
Violent storms, sudden temperature changes, and high moisture levels in the atmosphere create the perfect breeding ground for a powerful tornado. However, what makes it even more terrifying is its ability to constantly change form, making weather forecasting much less effective. While meteorologists may predict the tornado's general location, pinpointing the exact time and direction of its arrival is nearly impossible. The damage caused by this tornado extends beyond physical structures. Human lives are also put in jeopardy during these perilous moments. Families living in high-risk areas face ultimate fear as the tornado nears. Even with warnings in place, there is often not enough time for people to evacuate, leading to devastating loss of life. Yet despite the destruction caused by this tornado, there is an undeniable respect for the raw power of nature. The shape-shifting tornado serves as a reminder that no matter how advanced human civilization becomes, we cannot defeat the overwhelming forces of nature. These tornadoes remind us of the fragility of life and the importance of being prepared for natural disasters. Though it is one of the most terrifying phenomena nature can produce, the shape-shifting tornado remains an integral part of Earth's natural cycle. It is a reminder of both the wonders and dangers that nature can present, and it serves as a warning of the consequences of climate change and environmental degradation.
Dude, this is freaking just amazing. Yep, let's get in the wobble, baby. Wobbling north. We're good, buddy. We're good. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on natural disasters around the world as quickly as possible. Wishing you a great new day.
Starlink just got sacrificed, chat. Starlink just got sacrificed. Please don't hit that house. Please don't hit that house. Oh no. Lord, protect those people. It barely missed the house. It barely missed the house, guys. Father, please keep the people in that home safe. Lord, please keep them safe. Lord, keep that family safe. Lord, please keep them safe. Okay, it looks like it's gonna pass behind them, right behind their house. Oh, it's gonna just smoke these trees. Oh no. Oh no, it just hit a home. Oh no. Oh no.
1049, Highway 23, mile marker 19, right outside of Jasper for possible male sitting on that.
Where's my handheld? Where's my handheld radio at? For freak's sake. Clear that. I get a fucking shot. There's a house that got hit back there. We need to get there. All right. All right, guys, so there was one injury. It was just an ankle injury, but he's okay. We're all flipping around to continue on. Everybody in this house was